Remove the pump cylinder by pulling and turning it off the top cylinder and piston. You can now see the piston seal. Test to see if the piston seal is loose. It is too loose when it does not give any resistance in the pump cylinder because it has become worn. If it is loose, remove the piston seal from the piston using the screwdriver. A replacement piston seal can be found in the spares bag. When placing the piston seal onto the piston, pay attention to place the open side of the V-shaped piston seal up. Pull the piston seal into its slot on the piston and ensure it is neatly in its slot, not twisted.